customer service system built with Spring Boot and React. The platform enables multiple agents to respond to customer inquiries in real time with intelligent urgency detection and efficient workflow tools. So now let me walk you through the key features. First of all, the authentication. For example, I'm logging in with the username Sarah, and password is the default. So now we can see this is the first. Let's look at the authentication. So the app uses JWT based stateless authentication, which is important for horizontal scaling. I logged in as the agent Sarah. Now the login is quick. We are using bcrypt for password hashing and JWT tokens for session management. The token is stored securely and automatically, included in all the API requests. So this is the agent dashboard window. Let me highlight the key areas. The left sidebar, it shows all the active conversations. Okay, sorted by the urgency score, highest priority at the top. As you can see, critical. Top bar shows my agent info, online status, dashboard statistics, online status here, dashboard statistics, total conversations, urgent ones, and the open messages. Filter tabs, I can filter by the urgent, all, open, and in progress conversations. I have given the search feature as well, full text search across customers and messages. For example, if I would like to search with the 3456, so 123456, so it came here. Someone stole my identity and took loan in my name. Okay, this is the search feature. Notice how the conversations have colored urgency indicators: red for critical, orange for high, yellow for medium, green for low. We can see that here critical is red, high is high is orange, medium is yellow, and low is green. Okay, so urgency detection system. One of the key features is our urgency detection. Let me show you how it works. So the message here reads, someone stole my identity and took my loan in my name. So it got a score of 8 out of 10. So the algorithm analyzes the keywords like urgently, haven't received money, loan rejected, or potential fraud indicators to assign scores from 1 to 10. Uh, let me quickly demonstrate you this in real time. Okay, so this is the customer facing window where this customer with ID 123456, I'll again send the same message, like something like fraud happened with me. This is the acknowledgement that your message has been successfully sent. Again, I'll see here. This message came, fraud happened with me, again with a score of 8 on 10. Okay, so it appeared almost instantly with a high urgency because it contains the fraud related keywords. This helped the agents prioritize the critical issues. So this real-time functionality uses WebSockets with Storm protocol. Now let me demonstrate the full flow. Okay, we can see the message here. I can see the customer full history. For example, here the customer history is not, I have not given all the details, but for example, if I click on this Jennifer, so I can see all the her entire messages, and in the right side we can see this details, their phone number, email ID, member since, and all the details. Okay, reliability score and all. So now I would like to show you one different feature. Like for example, in this window I have logged in as Sarah Johnson. If I go to another window, here I have logged in as the agent Emily Davis. So in this window, notice that Sarah has logged in. This window is logged in with with the agent Sarah Johnson, and Sarah has opened the chat of Jennifer. So here we can see that Sarah has opened the chat of Jennifer. So in the chat window of agent Emily, we can see that this chat of Jennifer is logged. This log symbol, we can notice that this chat of Jennifer has been logged. If I would like to click on it, I can click on it, but here clearly demonstrates or it shows that this conversation is being handled by Sarah Johnson. And if I would try to even click on or type something, it is showing me the blocked symbol. So I cannot interrupt meanwhile some other agent is handling the conversation. Okay, I can show you another feature, like if Sarah is typing something here, it will show me Sarah Johnson is typing. Okay, uh, this was another feature. Now I would like to show you the some of the canned responses which was asked. So for efficiency, agents can use the canned responses as well, which are pre-configured for quick replies for common inquiries. Okay, so here are some of the canned responses, like account update account information, account access issues, loan processing time, loan disbursement. For example, if I click on this, so this message will be sent to Jennifer Mutua. Okay, This message has been sent. I have showcased you the multi-agent locking as well. Uh, customer this was the customer facing window by which we can send the message to the agents. There is another feature like customer chat. For example, if I would like to log in with this Jennifer, this username, so I just copied it and I'll paste it here. Okay, what is the ID? 4442. So now I'm connected with the branch support. For example, I would like to say thank you. A new message from customer 4442. Okay, it won't showcase in the urgent ones, it will showcase in the all one because this is a low priority message. If I would like to search 4442, thank you. Okay, so this was another thing. So finally, for testing, I have included example buttons that demonstrate different urgency levels. Let me send a okay, I have already showcased you this low priority message as well. Mm, so now if I click on this resolve button, so this issue will be resolved, and the count of resolved, if you would have noticed that it was 1 earlier, now it has increased to 2. Okay, if you haven't noticed, I can showcase you another time. If I click on this resolve, my resolved number of resolved issues is now increased. Number of open issues has been decreased by 1. And so okay, here by clicking here we can log out as an agent. Okay, so now let's go to the code walkthrough part. Let's look at the code. The project follows a clean architecture. Backend is written in Spring Boot 3.0 with Java 17, organized into controllers. Like here is the controller, DTO, model, and service layer. Okay, so these are the 4 layers. Okay, 4 5 layers. Front end is written in React 18 with white using custom CSS and a WebSocket hook for real-time updates. So let's look at the urgency service. Let's go to the service layer, urgency service.java. So the most interesting part is that we have assigned some of the patterns like urgently, desperately, need, require, want. Uh, okay, waiting, approval, all these kinds of, we have made given them the tags high patterns, critical patterns, medium patterns, low patterns, emotion multipliers. So we have a keyword to score mapping. This service scans the message body, finds matching keywords, and returns the highest score. It also provides a reason string explaining why the score was assigned. For example, contains urgent financial keywords. So now let's look at the WebSocket configuration in the WebSocket config.java. Okay. So for real-time updates, I have used the WebSocket message broker configuration. We use the Spring Stomp over WebSocket. Here is the broker configuration. It enables topics for messages, conversations, logs, and typing indicators. The key method is configure message broker. Okay, this method configure message broker, which sets up the in-memory broker for production scaling. This should be replaced with the RabbitMQ. Uh, let's look at the uh, WebSocket hook as well. So on the front end, we have a custom React hook that manages the WebSocket connection. So it handles connection, reconnection, and subscribes to 4 topics: messages, conversations, logs, and typing status. So topics, conversations, logs, and typing. Okay. Now let's quickly look at the database model, that is message.java entity. So where is this models? Message.java. So here are some of the entities like ID, customer, body. Okay. This message entity has important optimizations. Notice the indexed field for customer ID, status, and urgency score. These indexes ensure that fast queries even with the millions of messages. We also use lazy loading on relationships to minimize memory usage. With this, I would like to summarize that this platform provides real-time bidirectional messaging, multi-agent support with conflict prevention, production-ready security, and rate limiting, Docker deployment for easy scaling. The architecture is designed for growth. The main scalability enhancement would be swapping the in-memory WebSocket broker with the RabbitMQ. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time.